Welcome back to Auto Vibes, your go-to channel for everything that moves in style and power. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling luxury suite, designed for those who believe adventure shouldn't come at the cost of comfort. So buckle up, because what you're about to see might just redefine your idea of road trips forever. A motorhome, also known as a camper van or RV, is a self-contained vehicle that combines transportation and living quarters. But Mercedes has taken that concept and turned it into a five-star hotel on wheels. The 2025 model isn't just built for travel, it's built to impress, inside and out. The exterior design screams modern sophistication with its aerodynamic body, sleek LED light strips, and panoramic tinted windows that provide both privacy and incredible natural light. The chrome accents along the grille and sides give it that unmistakable Mercedes-Benz presence. Whether you're parked at a lake or pulling into a luxury RV resort, this motorhome turns heads everywhere it goes. Step inside, and you're greeted with a space that feels more like a high-end apartment than a vehicle. Plush leather seating, real wood finishes, ambient lighting, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system bring unmatched comfort to every journey. There's a queen-sized bed, a fully functional kitchen with premium appliances, a spa-like bathroom, and even voice-controlled climate and lighting systems. Everything here is built with precision and premium materials that elevate the entire living experience. Under the hood, Mercedes doesn't disappoint. The 2025 motorhome is powered by a turbocharged V6 engine paired with a 9G-tronic automatic transmission, delivering smooth, confident driving even on steep terrains. Advanced suspension systems ensure that long hauls feel like a breeze, and with the latest safety tech like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and 360-degree cameras, you're as secure as you are comfortable. Pricing for this rolling luxury starts at around $160,000, but considering what it offers, it's worth every cent for serious road trippers. Its biggest selling point: seamless luxury on the move. No compromises, no shortcuts. It's made for those who demand first-class comfort wherever the road takes them. So if you're ready to elevate your travel game and turn every journey into an experience, the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome might just be your dream come true. Thanks for watching Auto Vibes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on luxury rides, future concepts, and everything in between. Until next time, drive in style, live in luxury.